New in the 2019 version of TdF, with the appropriate permissions, you now have the ability to fully customize your homepage layout by defining a dashboard. There are global and personal dashboards available to be used or created according to permissions defined by your company's TdF administrator. The dashboard is made up of different tiles that are capable of displaying information such as your daily summary, BI visualizations, and a list of BYORs, or alerts and notifications. Within the tiles, you can also display a full BYOR or an individual alert and notification. You can change between the available dashboards by selecting the one you want to use in the drop-down located in the top left section of TdF Web. You can also select the dashboard that you would like to default when you load the homepage. Over on the right-hand side, you can click on the Summary Selection button to see what selection is currently being used for the loaded dashboard, as well as which tiles are utilizing that selection, indicated by the tiles you see on the screen that are highlighted. If you would like to change your summary selection that's being used for the dashboard, click Change Summary Settings. As stated in the drop-down, the summary settings that you select will only be applied to the highlighted sections. This gives you the flexibility to control the information being displayed in the dashboard, whether you would like to see everything for the entire company or all the way down to an individual sales rep level. If you have been given permissions to create or edit dashboards, you can change between View and Design mode by toggling the switch. For an in-depth look at modifying the dashboard, please refer to the video titled Modifying the TdF Web Dashboard.